Upgrade the pool deck from ordinary to extraordinary with the patented Meridian Series pool rails from S.R. Smith. Meridian rails are designed to retrofit traditional pool railings. They are ideal for offering maximum elegance with minimal deck space. To remove the current railing, loosen the bolt under the escutcheon plate. Once the bolts have been loosened, lift the rail out of the anchor socket. Next, insert the Meridian Series rail and tighten the bolt. Remember to thread the escutcheon onto the rail before inserting into the anchor. It's that easy to add functional elegance to any pool. Look for the complete line of S.R. Smith Meridian Series rails, including ladders and handrails, at srsmith.com. Also, check out the sleek modern design of the Artisan Series rails.